sorry.
Did you have to pre-measure that, or is it just to fill it up?
Comes in the pan.
Or you just put the whole thing in?
We'll just put half of it in that, half of it in this side.
How do you get the half to stay on the other side?
Watch and learn.
Peanut butter?
Magic. Acme anvil seal. So, what kind of peanut butter would it be, Sam?
Jiffy.
Roasted.
Skippy.
Peter Pan flies better than Jiffy.
What about chunky?
Chunky? No.
Creamy's the
Chunky
best,
monkey,
right?
yeah.
And you want that perfectly filled level?
Yeah, just all of the holes. Just no more than a hole.
Is that good enough?
No, you put more. But you can load the other one too to see if you got extra powder there. If you
So the other one for now, should I set it upside down right
yeah,
here?
well, you really could set right here. Set it upside down. I buy powder now.
That hole right here is
that's
nowhere close to that
No.
hole that goes down.
No, there's one there, one there, one there. That's handling holes where they put it in the fire and got it hot.
Yeah, there's at least an inch between them.
I'm gonna have to shake that. There's clumps in it.
Oh, can I transfer it back into 1 pound can?
Clumps blow up just like powder though.
Well, a clump is really 1 grain. Just, until you break it apart, and it's many grains.
Stick.
I've dropped from them cans too. You might want to open another can.
No, it's.
Well, it's not friggin' working.
Teresa.
What?
Oh, Joseph's filming it.
He's recording it.
That's correct.
It's a little fuzzy looking. And I don't
No
know.
film in this modern technology.
That's right. Yeah, you weren't around, Joseph. Me and Gary was when transistor radios came out.
Yeah.
They were equal to these for kids as far as cool. You had a radio you take with
I thought you went back to carrier pigeons.
you. Nah.
See how it's fuzzy?
All right.
Did you just get out of a real cold room
No.
to where it fogged it?
No.
Where's this peanut butter go, Sam?
Let me go get my own
I don't know, I mean, after it's over, you ain't gonna see this again.
Now, is that crunchy or smooth?
Paper, and it's smooth.
I'm just kidding.
What kind would it be?
Keep that from falling out. Put peanut butter over
You're
the top.
patient, ain't you? Just wait, you'll see.
It just looks like it'll make a mess.
No. That's tried and true. Now, they've had this, not forever. When they first started shooting anvils, they didn't have this. They didn't have peanut butter. They had to wait for George Washington Carver to get peanut butter.
You have to use lard or
They
something.
use lard or mud or whatever else.
Do you know where they invented?
This Acme Anvil paper
Mm-hmm.
is sponsored by my former employee.
All right.
And if they knew about it, they'd be proud
Right.
sponsors.
Yeah.
Now you get your hand under here.
Now you can't let this fall.
You just kind of, because it's going to have to let that rotate in your hand.
You're gonna have to let it rotate, okay? And then make it go fast. Don't let it fall. And real easy. You want to line it up the legs before you ever let it down. Okay, let it down right there. Now let yours down. Let it down. Let it down. There you go.
There you
Okay,
go.
let it
On
down.
this side, probably.
Look at that.
I'll just show you a trick.
Okay.
This it got dark. It's recording though, but it got dark.
Oh, that's all right.
What do I do?
I don't know. Hit the back button.
That's all right. The car will be back here by the time it goes off.
Oh, boy, that'll be nice.
Okay, see the fire is going to go out right now. Now we go.
Boom.
Good shot.
Hey, to get hit in the head by
I saw that flying. I'll be up.
Powerful.
Yeah. That was the sight.
Now we have the fire department, police.
Yeah.
Too many people look out their windows.
Now I want you to email that to Jeannie after you get done.
Okay.
Both of you.
Here's the
Boom. 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 Boom.
Powerful. You know what?
Yeah. That was the site.
Now we have the fire department, police.
Yeah.
Too many people look out their windows.
Now I want you to email that to Jeannie after you get done.
Okay.
Both of you.